Other automakers affected by COVID. Restrictions include NIO 9866.HK, which announced on Saturday that manufacturing had been halted after operations at its suppliers were hampered. In Monday's trading, the company's stock dropped 9%. While overall sales in China fell in March, sales of new energy cars, such as battery-powered electric vehicles, plug-in petrol-electric hybrids, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, more than doubled to 484,000 units. However, this was significantly slower than the tripling of sales in February. In March, China's auto sales plummeted as the country's COVID-19 outbreak-fighting measures took their toll, with Tesla Inc., TSLA.O, among those feeling the pinch. To stop the spread of the extremely dangerous Omicron strain, China has implemented stringent lockdowns in Jilin province and Shanghai. The recent pandemic situation has been pretty severe, said Xin Shihua, the association's deputy secretary general. As a result, the results in March were not too good, and we currently do not see much improvement in April. According to the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers, sales in the world's largest car market fell 11.7% in March from a year earlier to 2.23 million vehicles, the first drop in 3 months, and a dramatic contrast to an 18.7% increase in February. According to figures from a separate organization, Tesla only built 55,462 units in March, despite pausing production for 2 days in the middle of the month. Tesla's exports of Chinese-made cars fell to just 60 in March, according to the data, while domestic deliveries more than doubled from February. Chinese purchasers hurry to book orders, fearful that Tesla will boost prices further, following price hikes announced in November and March due to increasing raw material costs. Data on Tesla exports is spotty and subject to periodic fluctuations. In February, it exported 33,315 automobiles built in China. He went on to say that automakers were putting pressure on the government to take supporting steps, such as lowering the auto purchase tax. CATL 300750.SZ, the world's largest battery manufacturer, also said on Monday that it had implemented a closed-loop management system at its main factory to maintain output. To avoid viral transmission, a closed-loop management system is similar to a bubble-like structure in which workers sleep, live, and work in seclusion from the rest of society. Tesla's Shanghai facility has been shut down since March 28, and Volkswagen's VOWGP.DE Shanghai joint venture has also shut down this month. The joint ventures of Volkswagen and Toyota Motor Corp 7203.T with their Chinese partners in Changchun, the capital of Jilin, have been stopped since mid-March. That was only 154, more than in February, a month when workers were on vacation for the Lunar New Year. In January, the factory produced 68,117 automobiles.